Mama's getting some dishes put away. Can I put some dishes away? Daddy's coming. Oh, should we go get the door for him? Or do you want to hide?
I'm trying.
Okay. You want a blanket over you?
I want a baby.
Oh, we need a baby too? Okay, hold on. Purple baby work? There we go. She's all good. She's all good. I don't know where she went. I don't know. Who is it?
I know. Would you like to buy a vacuum cleaner?
I heard that you guys are creepy. The vacuum cleaner salesmen are creepy.
There's nothing creepy about a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, but y'all try to force your way into the house.
Well, would you like to buy one? Just
No.
say yes. What?
Get on it. See, look at Okay, seriously though, have you ever heard of those
Mommy,
people?
I want to do Mom in here.
Oh, okay, so you had to get out.
Take the baby
Okay.
off of me.
I understand. No. Have you ever heard of them?
Yeah.
They're what are they? The Kirby vacuum salesman, and they're like, here, do you want a free laundry pad? And then they'll give it to you, and then they just like come in your house, and then try to sell you a vacuum, and all this. Anyway, I would freak out if one of them ever came to our place. I'd probably pepper spray them because I have pepper spray right by our door. But yeah, like one of my friends. No, it's like right by the door. Yeah. But one of my friends had them come to her house, and he was like getting really nasty with her when she wouldn't let him in her house, which I was like, well, duh, why would you let someone you don't know in your house? But yeah, anyway, thanks for not being a vacuum salesman.
You're welcome.
Night night, Daddy. Here we go.
I need to do a bit of water.
I do need some water. Can I have some water in mine? Thank you. Keep some in yours. Do you still have some? You want a little bit back?
Need a bit of
There you go. We are having a tea party. Good morning, guys. I don't know if I said that last time, but good morning. We've just kind of been having a low-key morning. We had breakfast. Hi, sweetie. Annika already took one nap. Sophia's been bouncing a lot and playing. We're now having a tea party. And there's Annie up there watching and relaxing after getting fed. We're going to go run a couple errands. I have some t-shirts I have to pick up. And we have shoes we have to drop off. And hopefully exchange because we got 2 different sizes when we purchased them. But I don't have the receipt or anything, but I'm hoping that they'll just take care of it. And let's see. I think that's it. And then I'm Skyping my cousin a little bit later. So that's it.
Are you taping your cousin?
Yeah, Miss Lori. Cousin Lori. And her baby?
No, do it right now.
They're not ready yet. We have to wait until after our errands.
They're doing this?
Yeah. Yep. They're getting dressed and eating breakfast and all of that stuff. So we'll do it soon. Do you have the hiccups? You. Do you have the hiccups?
Mm-mm.
No? Oh, I thought you were hiccuping.
I'm going to have to.
You have the hiccups. That was a hiccup. Ready? Listen. There, right there. You had the hiccup. Oh. Uh-oh.
Another one.
Oh. You have lots of hiccups. Alright, transition to the car was a success. I always feel like once we get going somewhere or once we are somewhere, it's fine. The transition is the hardest part of going anywhere or doing anything. Agreed? Agreed. Yeah, so we are here. We are heading to the shirt place, and then the shoe place, and then the coffee place. Is that it? Is that what we have to do? Oh, and then the money place, the bank place. We'll probably actually do that first on the way. And Annika's upset, so we'll see how this works. But, yeah. Oh, there he is. Money place is done. Next stop, shirt place. We're gonna rock these errands out really fast, hopefully. Long line. Alright, money place, done. Shirts, done. I'm wearing mine. You can't see it at all in a seat here. I'll show you this one. There we go. That's so that doesn't give you an idea of how it is. Here, be my model. Ooh, so the flowers down in the corner. Oh, so cute, so cute. Turn it around. Mops. There we go. So, this is for this year. They're doing. What's our theme? Fierce flourishing, I think. Oh my goodness, I should know that because I'm part of the leadership. But we're not what? We're not done over here? Oh. Oh, okay. We're not done at the coffee shop, you're right. So anyway, shirt place, money place done, shirt place done, shoe place done. We ended up getting these shoes. Not as cute as the brown ones. Because we had like cute little brown Merrill loafers. But they didn't have any. Oh, so the issue was we had one of each size, and we didn't know until we sent it to my nephew, or my brother, but for my nephew, and they were like, we love the shoes, but they're 2 different sizes. So they sent them back, and then we went down, and they didn't have either size, and so we ended up just getting tennis shoes because they didn't have any cute shoes like that. So, pretty basic. And then...
Perfect for him.
Yeah. Yep. And then, oh, that was like the ceiling. What else did we do? Is that it? Those are the 3 places? Now we're at the coffee place. Of course. Kind of happens.
Good thing September's over.
September's not over.
Oh, my bad.
Oops. Fail! So we're gonna get some coffee. Alright, what's the button gonna tell me to do?
Go push the button.
Wait, you gotta tell me, what is it? What button is this? The talking button?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi Sophia, how are you today? How old are you? Are you 2? I like your brown hair and your brown eyes and your purple shirt and your sparkly striped shirt. And what are you eating today? I see you have some cheese and some peaches and some turkey.
Push the Spanish button.
I'm holding Annika and drinking some. Hola, ¿cómo está usted? Bien? Ah, me too, sí, señor. How was your day? Oh, wait. I don't know any more Spanish. Pantalones? What was that one? What button was that?
It was the red button.
The big button?
Pause.
Oh, no. I was holding her on. I wouldn't have been able to pause there.
Reverse. Alright. English, play.
Hi, how are you today, Sophia? I like your pink cup. What's in your pink water bottle?
Hit the slow motion
Are you
button.
drinking any milk?
Water.
You're drinking some water. Oh, yum,
Hit the
yum.
slow motion.
And you have some milk? Ooh, that sounds good.
Slow motion.
How is your milk?
Was she kind of loud? Should we turn her down a little bit?
How is your milk?
How's your milk?
Is your lunch good? Hi, how are you? What button was that? Volume?
Yeah.
Oh, Annie got it. What should we do this afternoon? Are we gonna go downtown? That will be fun! Yeah, guys, so this is what Sophia and Daddy... Oh, is that too loud? I'm sorry. Just push the mute button.
Uh-oh, you better fix your remote.
You better fix me, I'm broken.
There we go.
Oh, thanks. All better. Okay, now I'll talk normal.
Okay.
So, the button game. Daddy started, and Sophia... Beep. Oh, thank you, Daddy, thank you. Whew, she muted me. So, and I don't even know what we're saying. Annie's getting tired, though. All right, should we head upstairs and read some... Daddy for a minute. Good night, all the animals. Good night, Sophia. Oh, you're right. I forgot to get you another baby. I'll bring one up. She remembers everything. Everything. Good night, baby. Okay, just a second. Hi. 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 I'm gonna awkwardly hold the camera here. Do you feel awkward yet? I'm watching you. It's nap time. No one in the household is sleeping, but it's nap time. Sophia should be soon. I hope, otherwise tonight's gonna be rough because I have to wake her up at like 4 to get her downtown to go to our mobs thing. But Annie's here. She's hanging out. She sleeps whenever she has her own schedule. That doesn't matter. Stefan's watching soccer. Watching soccer. Annie's talking. Mommy's editing. Oh my goodness. And that is it. We've had a fun morning. Did you have a good morning? Annie, yeah, yep. Sophia would say the same, but I'm not going to ask her because she's sleeping. Or supposed to be. I think that's it. Tonight should be fun. I don't know how much I'll vlog because it'll just be me with the 2 kids, well, for a while, so I don't know what's that's going to be like. Yeah, she's over here smiling. She knows it's going to be crazy. But it should be fun. Should we say hi? Do you want to say hi? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Trying to get that string out of there. Here, move your hand. Oh, don't grab my hair. Don't grab my hair. Don't grab my hair. Hi, baby. Can you say hi? Hi. I know, Daddy's watching soccer. Hi. Hey, Dad. She's looking at you. Maybe she can't even see you. What's she looking at? I don't know what she's looking at. What are you looking at? What's she looking at? Yeah. Are you going to take another nappy? Nappy, nappy, nap, nap, nap. We're just hanging out. Just hanging out. I love your little nose. Oh, you got me. You got me. You're gonna wake up your sister. She's so loud. You're such a talker. You're such a jibber jabberer. Are you getting sad now? Yeah, are you getting a little tired? Should we go night night? Get out of here, Ma. Get out of here. Don't talk like that. Huh. Hi. Hi. Did you just realize I'm next to you? Hi, pretty girl. I love you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Got me. Ouch. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Give that hand. Give me that hand. Give me that hand. Give me that hand. Ooh. It's nap time for the girls. They're both asleep. I love, love, love that they take a nap together. And I am enjoying my Starbucks coffee from this morning. Again, the pumpkin spice Americano. I got decaf this time, so I didn't go all crazy. So decaf Americano with pumpkin spice and cream. So good. So good. You should try it. Seriously, go try it. It's good. Alright guys, deciding moment. I have to leave in 5 minutes. Both girls are still sleeping. Do I wake them up or do I be a little bit late to our downtown thing? Which it doesn't really start till 5 and it's 3:45. And they're just doing setup right now. But Stefan has practice at 4:30, so he has to drop me off before that. I don't know. Maybe I'll just start making noises because like I have to go up there and go to the bathroom and get them coats and sweatshirts and stuff. So maybe I'll just start making noise and hope that they kind of wake up more naturally on their own, and that might help. I don't know. Hey guys, we are headed to our MOPS thing downtown. I am so excited. It's going to be so much fun. I've been so giddy about it all afternoon. There's a storm. And we brought all of our pretend animals. We had to make sure they came. There's a storm coming in. I really hope it doesn't hit or ruin our night. So we're headed down there right now to get set up. 4:20, perfect timing. I told them I'd be there by 4:30. So this is perfect. I'm super excited. And I'll let you know how it goes. I might vlog a little bit. We'll see. Since I do, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that works. But yeah, I'm really excited. So let's go. Oh, and I thought I should add, I'm totally wearing my cowgirl boots just to kind of fit the part since we live out west. And I think they're really cute and I never wear them. So I found them and thought I'd wear them today. Okay, bye. Hey guys, girls are in bed. Stefan is off doing some soccer stuff. He should be back here shortly. I'm just hanging out and relaxing. Our night was so much fun. So I am typically very introverted and like, I mean, I don't like define myself by that, but I would consider myself more introverted than extroverted. Like, I just need my alone time. I need my me time, and I'm not one to just start up a conversation with anyone. It's just harder for me to. And I definitely make like non-awkward situations awkward, or at least in my head I make them awkward even though they're not. Like, I'm just weird like that. Anyway, but when I get in certain situations, I can really like almost become extroverted and just become really excited and really pumped, and that's what it was tonight. It was so much fun. So we just had this booth at like a downtown market. It was like a farmer's market, but then they also closed off like all of Main Street just for booths and vendors and like just a street market type of thing. And so we had our MOPS booth there and we were handing out stuff to the moms and all this stuff, and I had a blast. I talked to so many new moms, which normally I wouldn't like to do at all, but I just kind of like fit the position, if that makes sense. Like, I knew that more than wanting myself to be comfortable, like I wanted other moms to feel comfortable, and I wanted to reach out to other moms, and I knew truly like how good this moms group has been for me since we recently moved, and just getting to know new moms since we're in a totally new area, and so it's been so good for me, and I wanted that for other people, and so it just really helped me to reach out to other moms, and it was just so much fun. The girls did awesome. Annika slept probably for half the time, and then Sophia just kind of hung out with me and the other moms that were there, and she did so good. And the fact that she did so good, it just makes it so much easier for me to do stuff like this, because Stefan couldn't be there until later on, and so it was really fun. It was enjoyable. I know I've said it like 500 times, but it was awesome, and I just felt good afterwards, like with the conversations that we had had and the moms that we had met and the moms that we had reached out to. It just seemed really good. But that all being said, I'm exhausted. Like, so the thing with introverts and extroverts, so introverts, like, they can do that time, but then they need like alone time to recharge. And extroverts like thrive on being in those situations, not me. So like after 2 hours of it, like I'm exhausted and I was ready to be home and just be away from people and kind of like dig into my own little shell again. So I am home and I'm relaxing, and here shortly I am going to go to bed, and I'm hoping to go to bed fairly early tonight. And then yeah, tomorrow's Friday. It's the end of the week. already and another week gone. Oh man. So it's been awesome. Tomorrow Stefan has a game. I don't think we'll be able to watch it because it's during the girls' nap time, but Saturday he has a game at 4, which is after their nap time, which means we'll get to see it. And I'm so excited. This is like the first one that we've really gotten to see this year, so hopefully it goes good. But I'm going to let y'all go. Make sure to subscribe. Give this video a good old thumbs up. And I think I said it in my last video, but I'm going to just keep saying it for a while. All of my mom vlog type things, so like just me talking to the camera about different topics or doing updates or postpartum updates or whatever, are all going to be found on a separate channel just because, and I explained it in my last video, so I'm not going to explain it, but it's on a different channel just to keep the two things separate, and so I'll have a link to that down below if I remember, or maybe somewhere on the screen here. So be sure to check that out if you're interested in that type of stuff, and we will talk to you later. Bye!